Welcome to a world where the wild, the wacky, and the downright adorable collide. We're talking about the animal kingdom, folks, and the hilarious antics they get up to when they think no one's watching. From dogs who think they're Olympic sprinters, to cats who fancy themselves as master pianists. Have you ever seen a squirrel attempting a high-wire act, or a parrot who believes he's the next big opera star? And who could forget about those cheeky monkeys who seem to have an uncanny knack for mischief? So buckle up and prepare for a whirlwind tour of the funniest moments from across the animal kingdom. It's a wild ride, but someone's gotta do it. Welcome to the laugh-out-loud world of funny animal videos. Stay tuned, and remember, the animal kingdom is always full of surprises.